Need more spending power on your Chase credit card? If you're unsure how to request a credit limit increase without hurting your credit, you're not alone. Today, we're requesting a credit limit increase from Chase the smart way. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Chase may offer automatic increases, but you can also request one yourself through your online account. The method: use the online request form. Log into your Chase account and navigate to your credit card account. Look for Account Services or More Options and find Credit Limit Increase. You'll complete a simple form with your income and housing payment information. The key factors: income and payment history. Chase will consider your income, credit history with them, and overall credit profile. They may perform a soft pull that doesn't affect your credit score, but sometimes a hard pull is required. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: wait at least 6 months between requests. Don't request increases too frequently. A good rule is to wait at least 6 months, especially if you were recently approved for the card or had a previous increase. This shows you're a stable, responsible customer. So, just like that, you can potentially increase your financial flexibility. A higher credit limit, used responsibly, goes a long way in improving your credit utilization ratio. Now I'm curious, has Chase ever given you an automatic credit limit increase? How much was it? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.